Thanks to Aohi for sponsoring this video. The new M3 MacBook Air has been out for just over a month now, and I have finally managed to get my hands on the most powerful MacBook Air Apple have ever shipped. Is this enough to replace my MacBook Pro, or have Apple got a bit more work left to do? For those of you who have seen any of my recent videos, you'll know my daily workhorse has been the Space Black MacBook Pro featuring the M3 Pro chip. However, with the introduction of this sleek new MacBook Air, I have decided to explore the capabilities of the M3 chip within this refined form factor. The design ethos of the 15-inch MacBook Air has captivated me since its release last year, and for me, a MacBook Air that seamlessly integrates the power of Apple's professional-grade MacBooks is my dream Mac. However, it seems unlikely that Apple will equip their Air lineup with Pro chips anytime soon. Hence, my curiosity lies in whether this M3 MacBook Air can truly manage my current workload. So, let's start off looking at the design of this machine. I opted for the new Starlight finish, and it has definitely exceeded my expectations. The Starlight colorway adds a touch of sophistication, seamlessly transitioning between a shimmering silver and a subtle golden hue, dependent on lighting conditions. It's a finish that exudes luxury and elegance, making the MacBook Air stand out in any setting. As for fingerprints, thanks to this Mac's lighter finish, it does a commendable job of concealing fingerprints compared to Apple's darker options. Starlight allows this Mac to maintain its pristine appearance even after extended use. As someone who has prior experience with the 15-inch MacBook Air, I'm still amazed at how incredibly thin and lightweight this machine is. At 3.3 pounds and with a thickness of only 0.45 inches, it's a marvel of engineering. The portability of the MacBook Air is unmatched, making it the perfect companion for professionals on the go. However, if I were to nitpick, the absence of an SD card slot is a notable downside for me personally. As a content creator, easy access to an SD card slot is crucial for transferring and editing media files on the fly. It's a feature that many users in the creative industry rely on, and its absence in the MacBook Air is disappointing. If Apple could incorporate this feature into the MacBook Air, in my eyes, Apple will have created the perfect MacBook. Nevertheless, the current design of the MacBook Air remains a testament to Apple's commitment to innovation and craftsmanship. Now, despite the sleek and lightweight design, the new Air defies expectations with its exceptional battery performance. Thanks partly to Apple's in-house silicon, this Mac boasts an astonishing battery life of up to 18 hours on a full charge. If my previous experiences with M3 Macs are anything to go by, I'm expecting nothing short of excellence from this machine yet again. Whether you're tackling intensive tasks or simply browsing the web, the MacBook Air is designed to keep up with your demands without compromising on battery longevity whatsoever. But let's face it, even with outstanding battery life, there will inevitably come a time where your MacBook Air needs a recharge, and that's where today's video sponsor comes in. Aohi have kindly sent over their groundbreaking 2-in-1 40,000 mAh power bank and charging station, the Starship. This product is impressive to say the least, marrying the functionality of a power bank and a charging station into one revolutionary device. With a massive 40,000 mAh capacity, the Starship ensures you stay connected and productive with up to 7 full charges for an iPhone 14 or 6 charges for a 12-inch iPad Pro. Its versatility extends to over 1,000 devices worldwide, making it an essential companion for all your charging needs. The Starship features a compact design, including 3 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port. Whether you are on the go or at home, you are provided with fast charging options to keep your devices powered up efficiently. This power bank can even charge a MacBook Pro 16-inch from 0% to 56% in just 30 minutes. Its twin supercharging technology ensures rapid charging for both your devices and itself, with a recharge time of only 1.5 hours. Additionally, the power bank features LED intelligent distribution and monitoring, displaying real-time charging information for efficient power allocation and 24/7 safety monitoring. Essentially, the Starship is more than just a standard power bank. It's a reliable charging solution that elevates your ability to stay powered and connected effortlessly, keeping pace with your workload. If you're interested, the link will be in the description below. Thanks again to Auhi for sponsoring this video. The display is obviously one of the most crucial aspects of any laptop experience. One of the key decisions I made was opting for the 15-inch MacBook Air over the 13-inch model, and I cannot recommend doing this enough. For anyone contemplating between these two sizes, I honestly cannot stress enough the advantages of the 15-inch variant. The ability to carry around a 15-inch laptop with a stunning display and not even feel its presence in your bag thanks to its thin and light design is nothing short of remarkable. I have found myself double checking to ensure it's actually in my backpack when I'm on the move. That's how seamlessly it blends into my everyday carry. When it comes to the display itself, while it may not reach the pinnacle of Apple's offerings, it still leaves a strong impression in person. Featuring a liquid retina display, my particular model showcases a 15.3-inch diagonal LED backlit screen with IPS technology, boasting a native resolution of 2880 by 1864 pixels at 224 pixels per inch. Moreover, its brightness capability reaches up to 500 nits, ensuring vibrant visuals even in well-lit environments. Now, let's talk performance. This specific MacBook Air is equipped with the base M3 chip and 8GB of RAM. Now, on paper these specs may not sound like much, but Apple's silicon normally makes up for this in these types of situations. As I put this Mac to the test and use it to produce content over the next few months, we'll have to wait and see how this specific configuration holds up. I have a hunch that this MacBook Air will handle a significant portion of my workload with ease, but there may be instances where it's pushed to its limits due to limited internals. With tasks ranging from photo and video editing to graphic design and more, the performance capabilities of this MacBook Air will truly be put to the test, so definitely stay tuned for the full review coming soon. This M3 MacBook Air in Starlight is Apple's latest offering, combining sleek design with promising performance. With its refined form factor and elegant aesthetics, the MacBook Air exudes sophistication and style. The introduction of the M3 chip within the Air brings impressive power and efficiency to this lightweight device, making it a versatile companion for professionals on the go. The stunning display, coupled with the exceptional battery life, ensure a seamless experience for productivity and creativity tasks. But while initial impressions are positive, further testing will reveal the true potential of this machine. The new MacBook Air is undeniably impressive, but will it be good enough for professionals looking for something other than Apple's MacBook Pro? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below, and if you are still watching up to now, then hit the thumbs up button and think about subscribing to the channel. For those of you who have noticed my iPhone setup in the last few videos and want the same wallpaper which allows you to organise your apps like me, then check out my brand new Divide wallpaper pack. Link to that will be in the description below. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.